Hello everyone. Today we will see the cell, row, and column. Uh, how we can insert them and how we can delete them. So let's start. This is our Excel page. Uh, these are called columns. A, B, C. All these are called columns. K. There are so many columns available. Okay, and these are called rows. One, two, three. These are called from left to right. These are called rows, and every is single boxes. These are called cells. And every cell has a particular name. For example, if we select this one, uh, here the column number is L and the row is 9. So the name of this cell will be L9. You can see here the name of the cell will appear L9. Name, not name, the position of the cell will appear. If we click on this, you see O17, that is column number O and row number 17, column O and row 17. So this is called cell, and how we can see the position of a particular cell. Now we will see how to insert a column and how to delete a column. These are called columns. For example, if we want to insert a column before D, that means after C, then we have to select D, then we have to click right, then insert. You can see this column has shifted right, and here a new column has appeared. Okay, if we want to create a column after F, then we have to click on G, because if you insert, a column will be created before that selected part. So select G and click right, uh, then insert. You will see a column is created. If we uh, again here right click, insert, we can see that this is how we can insert a particular column. Now we want to delete this. How we can delete? Select that particular column, right click, you will see delete option, click on it, it will be deleted. Okay, so there are two more columns here. How to delete multiple columns? It is very easy. Select this one, press Ctrl and hold it, don't leave your finger from that. Uh, and then select G at this both of these two columns will be selected. Then click here or here. If is in any place between this selected portion, then right click, uh, click delete. Both of them will be deleted. So this is how we can delete single or multiple columns. Now we will see how to insert rows and how to delete rows. This process is also similar. That is, if we want to, for example, if we are selecting row number 7, and if we want to insert a row before this, okay, whenever, one thing you remember, whenever you are inserting something, another thing will be appeared before that. Okay, so if we select this one, click right click, insert, you will see a new row will appear. Again, if we want to create a row after 20, then we have to select 21, right click, insert, you will see this one has appeared. If we want to insert another one before 26, right click, insert. So this is how we can insert a row. Now, how to delete a row? It is very simple. Select that one, right click, you will see delete option, click on delete, it will be deleted. Now there are two more rows, we will select them together. Select this one and press Ctrl and hold that, and select this one, right click, delete. Both of them will be deleted. So this is how we can insert and delete column and rows. Thank you very much.